guys, it's Miss Mayra from the Rogers Park Library. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a cute watermelon slice. Okay? So you will need a paper plate, scissors to cut your paper plate, markers. I use markers, but you guys can use crayons or paint. That works as well. I use black beans for the seeds, but you guys do not need black beans because you guys can just use a black Sharpie and just draw on your seeds. But I use the black beans, so I need glue. Okay, so what you will need to do is cut your paper plate in half. I normally fold it in half and it helps me cut it. Okay, there you go. After that, you will color your half of paper plate. I used markers and that was super easy. And then after that, all you're going to do is glue on the black beans in the middle, okay? You guys can use 5 beans or less. I used quite a few. You will need to wait for it to dry. But that's how it looks, okay? So on this one, I just added 4 beans, but you guys can add more to get this final look. And it's super simple, so you guys can try this at home. And if you guys want to comment your pictures of your watermelon slice, that'd be awesome. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time, okay? Bye.